Hello students, welcome to another session of equations reducible to quadratic. In the last video we have seen how to reduce the equations into quadratic form. Four types we have discussed, and in today's video according to J level what type of questions will be posed, how to solve them we will see. The first one, square root of 5x square minus 6x plus 8 minus square root of 5x square minus 6x minus 7 equals to 1. In these two, what is the common thing? So these 5x square minus 6x and here 5x square minus 6x. To solve this one, firstly I will analyze that 5x square minus 6x as some other variable for simplification. So let us consider this particular 5x square minus 6x as some letter p. P, then what will be left? P plus 8 minus, again we have P minus 7 equals to 1. So do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. When you do squaring on both sides, so we'll get an expression which is in the form of a minus b whole square. Expand that a minus b whole square. A square, which since it is a irrational one, we'll get p plus 8 after squaring. A square minus 2ab. Under the square root, you will get p plus 8 into p minus 7 plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Again, we will get a p minus 7 equals to 1. Now here p plus p, 2p, 8 minus 7, 1, and 1 minus 1, after transposing it becomes 0. So we will be left with the expression like this, and we will get an equation equal to 0. Again transpose this term, 2p is equals to twice square root of p plus 8 into p minus 7. 2 gets cancelled, on division will get simplified. Now p is equals to, again squaring on both sides. Do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now p square is equals to, since it is a single term, so square and root gets cancelled, we will be left with p plus 8 into p minus 7. Again p plus 8 into p minus 7. So multiply p into p square, 8p minus 7p. You will get p here. Again 8 7s are 56. And this p square gets cancelled. You will be left with the p minus 56 is equals to 0, where p is equals to 56. P is equals to 56. Now what is this p? We have analyzed this 5x square minus 6x as 56. Let us replace that one. Then we will get 5x square minus 6x. After transposing this one, you will get 56 equals to 0. Again simplify this one. 56 into 5 minus 56 into 5. So factorize this one, 5 6. 5 is 25, 280. So for minus 280, factor such that we should get minus 6. I will get here 20, 14 14 2s are 28, and 20 14 difference will be 6. So 20 I will take it as negative. Now 5x square minus 20x plus 14x minus 56 equals to 0. Now 5x is common, x minus 4 will be left. Again here 14 is common, x minus 4 will be left. Again x minus 4 when you take common, you will be left with 5x plus 14. Now you will get x is equals to 4 as well as x is equals to minus 14 by 5. So this is the solution. But x is equals to 4 minus x is equals to minus 14 by are the roots of this equation. This is how we have to simplify the given equation reducible to quadratic. Let us see the second one. In the second one, the same kind of quadratic equation is given, but if you see the other expression, it is given in the factor form. So what we have to do is, so firstly we have to convert that into normal quadratic equation on multiplication. So what you will get? So x square minus 5x plus 7 whole square as it is, minus, if you product this one, that means if you multiply these two, you will get x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 1. So what is the common thing you are observing here? So you are observing, if you transpose this 1, it will become minus 1. If you transpose this 1, it will become minus 1. When you multiply with minus, this plus 6 will become minus 6. Minus 6 and minus 1 will become minus 7. That means if you take minus common, you will get this kind of expression. X square minus 5x plus 7. Now entirely you can see within the bracket whatever we have quadratic equation, that will be the common. Now I will put x square minus 5x plus 7 is equals to some k. Then we will have k square minus k is equals to 0. But what is the common thing here? K is the common thing. You will get k is equals to 0 as well as k is equals to 1. Now what is k actually? This is the quadratic equation. So when you replace this k value with the x square minus 5x plus 7 equals to 0. Now simplify accordingly either by factorization method or quadratic formula. So I will use quadratic formula here. Minus b, so minus of minus 5 plus 5 plus or minus square root of b square minus 25 minus 4ac, 4 into a into c. 4 ones are 1, 4 sevens are 28 by 2a. So you will get 5 plus or minus square root of minus 3 by 2. So where this plus or minus 3 can be written as I root 3. That means x is equals to 5 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. You will get complex and conjugate roots. On the other hand, k is equals to 1. X square plus 5x plus 7. Not plus, minus. X square minus 5x plus 7 equals to 1. So when you simplify this one, you will get plus 6 equals to 0. So generally, either by quadratic formula or normal factorization splitting factors method, you can simplify this one. So you will get x square. Already we have factorized this one. So you will get x minus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 0. Then x is equals to 2 and 3 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Like this, overall for this given equation, you will get 4 roots because the highest degree will be 4. Next, these two according to the quadratic equation. But if you look at the third one and fourth one, it based upon the exponents. So how to simplify when the exponents are given? So whenever the exponents will be given, so definitely there will be some relation between the given exponent. We have to simplify, we have to convert that into the quadratic equation. So let us firstly do that one. So here 4 power x is given. 4 power x can be written as in terms of 2. 2 square whole power x minus 5 into 2 power x plus 4 equals to 0. But I want the highest degree as 2. I can replace this with the 2 power x whole square minus 5 into 2 power x plus 4 equals to 0. So what is the common thing you are observing here? 2 power x. 2 raised to the power of x. So put 2 power x as some a or any other variable. Then you will get a square minus 5a plus 4 equals to 0. So generalize this one. That means factorize this one. You will get the factors 4a square minus 4a minus a
plus 4 equals to 0. What is the common thing? A minus 4 is common here. Here minus 1 is common. A minus 4 will be left. A minus 4 and A minus 1 equals to 0. Then A is equals to 4, A is equals to 1. But what is actually A value here? We consider it as 2 power x. So 2 power x, this 4 can be written as 2 square. Again 2 power x is equals to 1. Here x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 because bases are equal, we can equate the powers. Now here 2 power x is equals to 1. 2 power x is equals to 2 power 0. Here also the same concept. Since the bases are equal, the powers can be equated. X is equals to 0. So like this we will get two roots of the quadratic equation. Similarly, one more exponent related problem. Let us firstly solve that two also. I hope you understood this step. In the same manner we have to go through that one. Now here in the previous case we have seen the common expression within the given equation, but here nothing is common, only the powers are common. Then how to relate this one to the RHS side? Now according to the Pythagorean triplet, we have a relation between 3, 4 and this 25. 25 can be written as 5 square. This 5 square can be written as 3 square plus 4 square. 25 can be written as 5 square. According to Pythagorean triplet, 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 square. So I have used that concept here. So 3 to the power of x square minus x plus 4 to the power of x square minus x equals to 3 square plus 4 square. Now LHS and RHS, if you see the comparison, if you do the comparison here, 3 power x square minus 1, 3 to the power of 2, that means 3 square. So bases are equal here, I can equate the powers. Similarly in this case also. So x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. Now what is the solvation here? Either you can go for quadratic form. X square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equals to 0. X is common, x minus 2. Here 1 is common, x minus 2. So x minus 2 is common and here x plus 1 is left. X is equals to 2, x is equals to minus 1 is going to be the solution. So this is how you have to simplify the given exponential equation. Now one more exponential equation is given. So let us solve that one also. This is another one. 8 power x plus 27 power x divided by 12 power x plus 18 power x is equals to 7 by 6. So 8 can be written in the form of exponential form like 2 cube whole power x. Similarly 27 can be written as 3 cube whole power x. And 12 can be written in the form of, after prime factorization, 2 square into 3 whole power x, and this one 3 square into 2 whole power x equals to 7 by 6. Now you can interchange, that means in the form of cube you can write 2 power x whole cube, 3 power x whole cube, and here individually you can write 2 power x whole square, 3 power x, and 3 power x whole square into 2 power x is equals to 7 by 6. So if you compare, if you see the numerator and denominator, what is the common thing we are observing? 2 power x and 3 power x in both the form. So I will consider 2 power x as some L and 3 power x as some M. Then I can write it as L cube plus M cube by L square into M and L M square. That means this is L M square. Now between these two, what is the common thing? Is equals to 7 by 6. We should not forget that 7 by 6. Now A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube is nothing but A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. So A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B divided by, here what is the common thing? Lm is common, I can write it as L plus M. Now you can split the denominator into 2. So L plus M, don't forget 7 by 6. So L plus M whole cube minus, I am splitting. So that means Lm into L plus M minus 3Lm into L plus M by Lm into L plus M is equals to 7 by 6. So this on division give the quotient as 1. That means it gets cancelled. Now here L plus M and here L plus M, it becomes whole square. Now L plus M whole square by Lm is equals to minus 3 is left. Transpose that one. So you will get 7 by 6 plus 3. So on LCM 6, 6 3 is the 18, 18 plus 7, 25. So L plus M whole cube by Lm. Now on cross multiplication, you will get 6 into, expand this one, A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square is equals to 25 Lm. Now multiply 6L square, 6 to the 12, 6M square is equals to 25 Lm. 6L square, 25 when you transpose 12 minus 25, it will become minus 13M is equals to 0. So simplify this one. So what are the factors? 6 into 6, 36. Now factors of 36 such that we are getting as minus 13. 9 4 the 36. So minus 9 minus 4. So 6L square minus 9Lm minus 4Lm, 6M square equals to 0. So what is the common thing here? What is the common thing? 3L is common. 3 2s are 3 3s are. Similarly here also 2M is common. Then 2L minus 3M. Now 3L minus 2M, 2L minus 3M equals to 0. So these are the two simplifications. So we'll continue, just to go through the steps fastly so that we can go to the next simplification. So like this, you will get 3L minus 2M is equals to 0. You will get 3L is equals to 2M. L by M is equals to 2 by 3. Next, one more. 2L minus 3M is equals to 0. You will get 2L is equals to 3M. Then L by M is equals to 3 by 2. But what is actually L? We consider it as 2 power x. This is 3 power x. So if you take the common power as x, then x value is going to be 1. X is equal to 1. Similarly here, 2 power x by 3 power x is equals to, I can take the reciprocal power so that I can convert it as 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 whole power minus 1. So you will get 2 by 3 whole power x is equals to 2 by 3 whole power minus 1. And x is equals to minus 1. So these are going to be the two roots of the quadratic equation.